people. See if there's
Not the
anything
vans,
cool.
because I don't feel like as many people look there. That's a Dodge. The Suburban looks promising, but it's probably been gutted already. Yep. Sometimes if you look in the back, you can find stuff you're looking for. It's a nice seat. Okay. There's an old Ford down here. You guys want to see the 67? Oh, I guess not 67. But it's an older one. Nice cab. Motor's gone. I think this was here last time. There's an Olds in the back. Station wagon, which is pretty much my car. Might have the intake cleaner on it still. Street 6. So they have this place split up into kind of like a domestic side and a import side now. Whoa, there's a dirty one. See a dirty bird. Well, maybe we should just go start in the back, because I don't see anything new. But you don't know unless you come in and look. It's an old Chevy truck. There's a van down there. Let's go look at this truck. Anything left? Nope. Gutted. Gutted. Looks like it was a 305. I don't know. It's hard to tell by just looking at stuff for me. But, you know, I'll leave that to you guys. What do we have here? Well, you don't see stuff like this very often. Wow. That's cool. What a bummer, man. So that thing looks like it sat outside with the hood off for a long time. Looks like somebody was checking to see some stuff. Yeah. Oh, cage cluster. Score! I need that. We're gonna put you down for a second. Oh, you might take these door handles. Oh man, there's tons of good stuff. It's got. Man, I gotta put the camera down. Dig into this thing. This is cool. I'm glad I came for this. Got a better idea how the bed goes together, so that's good. Spike what I can. Found the hood in the back of this purple truck, just across from it, right there. This S10, and it's shot. It's cool because it was a pig nose, but no trim, no nothing. Everything's always gone. Somebody always swipes all the easy stuff, but that's okay. This does have a mirror on the side of it. It's broken. I don't know if that's original, but door won't open. Door's not in any better shape than mine. So, alright, moving on. Let's go see if we can find a air cleaner. Now let's see what else is down the road first. That was really cool find. You don't see a whole lot of that in, well, Picketpool anyways. Don't remind me I need to go get that gauge cluster because that's probably closer to the one that's supposed to be in the truck. So, alright. That's probably it. Let's see what else we can find. Kind of getting out of the old stuff and getting into the Ford Exploders. This cool little truck. Must be a Chevy Love? Nope, Toyota. Man, that would be cool. What are you doing in here? I'm not going to open the hood because I just saw a bunch of bees going in, but man, cool little rig. Roll cage. Wonder if that's the motor back of it. I would totally rock that thing. Alright, what else we got? I probably got rid of my station wagon back here. Anything else cool? Big shiny rims. I know you guys are probably gonna make fun of me, but I really want to buy a station wagon. Look at big one. Look at this. Look at the boat. Just a beast. This thing is huge. So it says it's a 72 Ford Galaxy Country Sedan. I don't know about that. Whew, it's getting hot. We got a Ford station wagon. It's not nearly as cool. Beat up old Mustang. Something else down here. Looks old. Well, I only like looking at the old stuff. To me, old stuff's like 85 and older. What we got? Is it a Cadillac? It's a Ford LTD maybe? I don't know. Oh man, I'm not too bad. 67. Okay. It's kind of cool. Just think about the possibilities. You know what I'm saying? Even comes with a chunk of copper in there. Probably 2 feet. You're making money. Making money if you buy this thing. Let's see. Let's see what's under here. Oh yeah. Oh, when they got a big beard like that, move on. Okay, let's see what else we can find. Hopefully my Oldsmobile station wagon's still in the back. So are you guys having a good day? I mean, I am. It took a little longer than I thought to get that cage cluster out. It's okay. Get my sunglasses back on. Getting hot. So I don't know if you've noticed, I tried to cut one of my logos I had and make it smaller, and it didn't turn out so good. But that's all right. These are all prototypes. We're in a beta testing stage. Whatever that means. Impala or Caprice. Man, laying down in that 67 Chevy, oh, I think it's at 67, but that 67 was when it started going to a square body style. Head's all itchy. Ugh. It's all well worth it. So we're here. So I live right up on that mountain over there, the hill. I mean, that mountain way over there. So let's drive down into town, you know. 45 seconds. I'm lucky. But what I'm not lucky about is there's never any of that cool old stuff. So it's just mostly this junk. Leftovers, 90s era, I don't know what you want to call it. Hot rods. So I think my station wagon's gone. So that's not good. But it's okay. I mean, for what I'm gonna pay for an air cleaner housing, I could probably just order a cheap one off Amazon. But Metro, Saturn station wagon, Monte Carlo, Cutlass, Oldsmobile. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. That's probably, oh, it's obviously Oldsmobile. Nothing I can use. What was I looking for? Throttle linkage, stereo crap, air filter cleaner, air cleaner. Did you guys throw it in here for me? No. Did you throw it in the trunk? Part of it? That can't be it. Somebody's drinking Red Dog. Well, somebody put some time into this back in the day. Nothing. Okay, well, we're gonna do a thing and you're not gonna tell anyone about it. There's a truck up there for sale for 2,500 bucks. It's shot. It's never gonna run again. And I think the air cleaner that goes to it sitting on the front seat, and it's unlocked. So I don't think you're technically supposed to take parts from there, but if you don't say anything, it's all rusted and old anyway. So I doubt they're really gonna care. It's a sale. It's probably I'd pay 20 bucks for it, and I could get a chrome one for 20 off Amazon. This is a cool old one. We'll go over here and look at it. We'll look at one on the import side. Mercedes, Datsun, I don't know what it is yet. 60 something. Boy, look at that big old motor. That is cool. Very cool. It was for sale for $2,700. It looks like the whole side was Bondo. Yes. It's a 1960 Peugeot. Peugeot? And there's stuff in the back. Door handles. Alright. Let's make like a tree and close the barn door. I could wander around muscle cars anymore. They're all in the 100 grand range. At least I can. Alright guys, well I'm gonna get out of here. I still gotta go get brake cleaner, get home, clean my brake pads, clean my rotors, put that back together, and then I'm gonna try to edit in this footage so everybody's got something new to watch. Because, you know, what the heck? Now, where did we leave that gauge cluster? Do you guys remember? Where did we leave that gauge cluster? You guys remember? Your eyes open. Wasn't in the back of a purple truck? How many purple S10s are in here? Weird. I'll tell you what, if I could drag home that 66, there it is. If I could drag that 66 home and try to get that motor to break free and turned over, I would. I ain't got the room. So, gauge cluster. I don't even need the gauge cluster, but we're gonna pick it up anyways. So we're out. I think that, I don't know, I might have to redo my gauges again, but I might leave. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So there's this one. I got myself an orange soda to go with my orange truck. Woo. Which is just delicious. Fanta. Maybe that's what I should name it. Yeah, that's a GMC gauge cluster. That's a Chevy gauge cluster. So I don't know where they, when and where they switch stuff, but I forgot my wipers in there. Do I go back in and get them? Nah. I can probably order them. That's fine. Finish my soda, then we'll get out of here. So, yeah, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm rambling.